Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my grocery haul and meal plan. I actually went to 3 different stores. I went to Harris Teeter, Walmart, and Food Line. So I probably spent way more money than I would have liked to for the amount of things I got. So, you know, I have to qualify some stuff. I didn't use many coupons. I only used 2 coupons today. And that's not my norm. So paying full price for groceries is not something I am comfortable with. However, on this lifestyle, I have to pick and choose and find the things that I can get with a coupon. And there are just some things I cannot get with a coupon. So I went to Harris Teeter, Walmart, and Food Line. And I am now feeding 4 people. So my son is here. He'll be here for the next 3 weeks at least. Recovering from breaking his foot, his ankle bone, femur bone in his ankle, and then myself and my 2 littles. We do keto if you're new around here, so we do try to maintain a ketogenic lifestyle. I do my best. The kids are not extremely strict on what they can eat. They are strict to a point, but if we go to a function, they do not have to remain keto. I do. I'm also, my son is doing keto because that's what we cook in the house. And it's an adjustment because mom doesn't buy all the things he might buy at his house. So let me share with you what I paid, what I got and what I paid. I got our customary paper, toilet paper that was $1.50. No, this was 2 for $4, $2. This Method all-purpose cleaner is my absolute favorite cleaner ever. It is the pink grapefruit, and it was on sale for, I think it was $3.99. I only get it if I can find it on a good sale. So I spent $6, and then the trash bags, we got 45 trash bags. That was another $6. And then the paper plates were another $4. So that was $10, $16 were not grocery. Because I'm looking at my stuff going, why in the world is this stuff so expensive? But $16 was non-grocery items. Of course, I won't buy these 2 items for months. We do keep trash bags for at least a month or more. Paper plates will go through, and we buy toilet paper every week, but it's no problem. This happens to me every time, y'all. This ground chicken is Purdue ground chicken, was in the spot that said 2 for $6. Now, there right beside it, it said 2 for $10. So I always get the one in the 2 for $6 spot, and somehow it charges me 2 for $10 because whoever put the ground chicken out put it in the wrong space. So I got it 2 for $6 because I had $2 off, which would have made it 2 for $4 or $2 a piece. As it were, I paid 2 for $8. So I'm not arguing with it anymore. I'm just going to check. It's the 98% fat-free, which I actually need the fat content for keto. But I thought this would be cheaper than buying ground beef. So, always happens every time. Don't know why, but it happens every time. So, I got some premium bacon. This was $3.49. We did bacon bundles the other day with green beans. I thought that would be good, but I forgot the green beans. So, maybe not so good. Log Cabin. This is the sugar-free syrup. This was $2.90. It's $2. It was $3.99. Buy one get one free. So $2 by itself. Y'all, I'm sorry. I apologize. Calm down, Shakema. Saw Miss Erica this morning on her channel, and she was rushing, you know, going through her grocery haul. She was like, let's just start over. Calm down. Okay, so I got the cheese. I got the, it was buy 2, get 3 free. So I got New York cheddar, Parmesan, Wisconsin sharp. We got some Mexican, and we got another sharp. We like sharp cheddar cheese. We have plenty of mozzarella in the freezer. Sharp is one of the ones we don't have. So I know I can buy a big bag at Walmart, but it doesn't let me get variety. I can only buy sharp or mozzarella, and sometimes we do like variety. These chicken wings were $6.99 for 2.5 pounds. I did pick up some sweet relish. Some no sugar added sweet relish. And this was, I think this was $2.99. I can't remember off the top of my head. Butter was $1.99. This is the salted butter, Harris Teeter brand that was on sale. Lily's chocolate chips were on sale for $5.99. Diced green chilies were 79 cents. These mini peanut butter filled pretzels were $4.99. Jackson likes those. I picked up a bottle of water for 89 cents. These Powerade Zeros for the kids were 89 cents. And then Trandon asked for 2 things of spring water. They were 89 cents. So everything you see here from Harris Teeter was $67. And I actually had 248 fuel points. So I gained quite a few fuel points off of this purchase. Then I went over to Walmart. My son did contribute to the grocery bill this week. So I had my regular grocery money plus Trandon gave some grocery money because he is here and he is home all day. So he's eating because he's here for 3 meals. So I picked up some sandwich pepperoni. I saw a YouTuber, and I can't remember her name right off the top of my head, but she did like a pepperoni sandwich type thing with cream cheese, and I wanted to do that for some meal prep this week because I do have to go back where my mom is on Friday, so I have to prep for the kids. So that was, we got half a pound of the sandwich pepperoni for $3.47. It's cheaper buying it when they slice it than buying it in the package. Picked up some of the Johnsonville Better Cheddar Brats for $2.78. Picked up the sliced provolone cheese for $1.23. I'm going to put that with the pepperoni when I make the sandwiches. Picked up some cream cheese for $1.33 for 2 blocks. We got 4 of those. Cabbage was 69 cents a pound. Picked up some of the paper towels. I like to get the paper towels from Walmart. And then I picked up our staples, cauliflower and broccoli, 2 of those. They were 98 cents a piece. We did need some puppy bags. They were $5.99. And then instead of getting the mega sours for the kids' drinks, I'm just getting these 0 sugar Kool-Aids. They were $1 each. And then somebody mentioned that G. Hughes had the honey mustard dipping sauce. So I picked up this. I found it. This was $3.26. And then the pork rinds, these are not the ones that I normally like to buy, but this is what they have, the Max pork cracklings. They were $2.62 for the party size, and I picked up 2 of those because all of us are eating keto. So total at Walmart was $39. Then we went over to Food Line because I forgot my heavy whipping cream. Well, I actually was going to get it at Walmart, but they didn't have the small one. So I picked this up at $2.99. And then I saw this brown sugar blend. This is granulated sweet choice, low calorie sweetener. This was compared to Splenda. And I know people say use stevia, and I do use stevia or Truvia. But when I did the comparison, this had lower carbs than the Truvia for the same amount of sugars. So it was on a closeout for $2.68. So I just picked up 2 of those because the Truvia brown sugar is like $6. So closeout, I just picked up there was one more. I should have picked that up as well, but this is fine. We just use it in some recipes. And then here is the problem, right? We got Halo Top. Everybody got their own. Trandon got cookies and cream. Alana got mint chip. Mom got s'mores, and Jackson got chocolate chip cookie dough because he knows that's what brother likes. So he's going to share with brother. And they were $4.99 a piece. So I think I spent like $26 at Food Line for this. So that was a little bit more of an expensive haul than what I'm normally used to getting. But it is what it is this week. I've got to make sure there are things in the house because I'm traveling again on Friday. So let me share with you the meal plan for the week. Alrighty, you guys, so here is our menu plan. This is for the week of April the 10th through the 16th. So I start meal planning on Wednesday because that's my grocery shopping day. You see my grocery haul and meal plan on Thursday, but I shop on Wednesday. So from Wednesday until the next Tuesday, this is what we're planning to have. And I'm going to do some cook-aheads because I have to be out of town Friday and Saturday. So chicken Alfredo is for tonight. And we're going to do that with cauliflower and spinach. We're going to use some of the chicken, the bag chicken that I bought last week with coupons. Tomorrow we're going to do sloppy joes, and Alana's going to use the ground chicken to make that. I have a meeting, so the kids won't go to Taekwondo tomorrow night, but I'll be home. So either she'll do it or I'll do it, either one. Friday night, Friday afternoon, I have a funeral. The kids have taekwondo, and then I'm leaving to go to where my mom is. They've just moved her to the cancer center. So I'm going to do, we're going to have ground chicken taco bakes. We're just going to use ground chicken instead of ground beef. So taco bake, and we found this recipe from J. Morrell on J. Morrell's Large Family Table, I believe. Saturday, I will be back home, and we're going to do Nashville hot chicken wings. I'm going to actually do the chicken wings in the oven. I got the little wingette pieces, the little drums and the flats, and so I'm going to do those using Craveable Keto recipe, how they do their wings in the oven. I think Southern Keto has a way to do them. I think it's the same, kind of similar. And then we're going to do the Nashville hot chicken sauce and put the chicken wings in there. And we're also going to do a loaded broccoli. On Sunday, we just have church, so we're going to do pork steaks. We're going to make those like Mississippi style with the cabbage. Our friend comes over for dinner on Monday night. We're going to do velvet pork chops and veggies. And then Tuesday night, we have taekwondo. I sing, so we need a crock pot meal. We're going to do the cheeseburger soup in the crock pot. Now, cook aheads, I'm going to be using the chicken salad the chicken to make chicken salad. We're going to do taco chicken so that the kids can kind of make some quesadillas if they want to. Or Alana can use that in the chicken taco bake. I'm going to have the kids make something called pepperoni sandwiches because I saw this on another keto channel and I thought that was a good little snack. I'm going to make the Joe Duff pancakes. I'm going to make the fluffy pancakes that I saw on Nicole Burgess's channel. Alana is going to prep ahead on the weekend some bagels, and the kids and I are going to do some egg muffins. So this is our plan for the week. It's what I'm having to do now since I'm traveling between this place and that place. It's good that I have Trandon here because he can take care of things here with the little kids while I'm taking care with my mom. I'm splitting the weekend with Shamika this weekend because she's on spring break next week. I am not on spring break until the following week. So Shamika's coming. I'm doing the weekend. Then Shamika's coming in for a couple of days next week. So we're trying to split it as best as we can. So this is our meal plan and grocery haul. I did want to mention really quickly because I said I would that I'm going to be doing another giveaway. So you guys, this is not the however many people we won giveaway. This is just because I think people would enjoy this stuff. I am getting out of how many subscribers I have on my channel or sub to my channel so it can grow. I just want people to be here that want to be here. If you want to be a part of our community, we want you to be a part of our community. But I don't want to just do giveaways so people can be a part of the community as numbers, but they're not really a part. That's just not what I'm here for. So anyway, I found these new patterns. I was at that other Walmart. It's about 40 minutes from where I live. It's not even close to me, but it's where I work now. And I was leaving work and coming home, and I said, let me stop in here. And that's where I found the hot and spicy G. Hughes, and they had these weekly notepads. These are, again, the mouse pad notepads, but I'm using the ones I have for either chore charts for my kids or weekly meal plans. And they're 52. There's 52 sheets, so it should be for a whole year. Now, there's 3 patterns. So the one that has the gold foil, then there's one that has the no problema with the llamas, and then there's just this pretty pink one here. So one of the things that I think you can do with these, if you wanted to make sure that you could keep a record of what you cooked, is you could actually punch holes in these. You can take it apart. You know, it doesn't have to stay on the notepad. But you could punch holes here and then stick it in a little small binder. And then you could go back and see what you cooked, you know, last week or the week before, whatever. So anywho, I just thought it would be fun to do 3 more giveaways. So we will run this giveaway until next Thursday. Next Thursday, I will pull names for winners for this. I'll announce it on Friday. So one of my hometowns, if I forget, y'all let me know, okay? I'm gonna post it over on my Facebook page as well. 1 week from Thursday. So tomorrow is the 11th. That's going to be until the 18th, next Thursday. And you do have to be subscribed to the channel. Please leave us a comment down below about what you would do with these mouse pads, if you would use them as meal planners, or you would use them as chore charts, or how would you use them, so we would know what you would do with them. But I'm going to do this just simply because I want to. I don't have pens. I might have some pens. I might have some extra pens, but if you don't get a pen, it's because I don't really have any to give away, but I'll look to see if I can find some. So I'm definitely giving away the notepads. I'm not promising on the pens, but if you get a bonus pen, praise the Lord. Do want to give a shout out. One of my subscribers sent me a lovely card in the mail. Thank you so much. And also a little gas gift card. Because I'm traveling back and forth between my mom and my son and here and all of the things. So that really just meant so much that you would think of us to send that, and we just really do appreciate it. So anywho, the kids and I are going to get in this kitchen and do what we have to do. Thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Just as, hey, we like your video. Probably says, hey, Shakema, you need to change your polish, but that's not what this video is about. Anyway, thumb it up, subscribe it out, and share it if you feel it would be helpful to somebody. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.